Three-row SUVs have become the vehicle of choice for the suburban American family, and Chevrolet expects the segment to get even more popular in the next 5 years. Hoping to capitalize on that growth, Chevy has revealed the new 2024 Traverse with an in-your-face design, a more potent powertrain, and an expanded lineup that now includes an off-road-focused Z71 model. The 2024 Traverse's design isn't a huge departure from the outgoing crossover, retaining the boxy profile, high-mounted LED running lights, with the main headlamps below, and a squared-off grille. But the 2024 model looks more assertive thanks to a more athletic stance and a larger grille, and the LED taillights mimic the L-shaped units on the 2024 tracks. Chevy didn't provide specific dimensions but told Car and Driver that the 120.9-inch wheelbase remains the same. The cabin has been fully revamped with a clean, cohesive design centered around a new standard 17.7-inch touchscreen, a huge upgrade over the 7.0 and 8.0-inch units in the previous Traverse. Luckily, the Traverse still has physical controls for volume and the climate control system. An 11.0-inch digital gauge cluster and 6 USB ports are standard, while a Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless phone charger are also available. A pass-through under the center console opens up extra storage space. The base LS trim comes standard in 8-passenger configuration, also offered on the LT. The Z71 and top-of-the-line RS are exclusively 7-seaters due to the second-row captain's chairs. Heated front seats, second-row outboard seats, steering wheel, and side-view mirror are all available, while a power-folding second row that moves at the press of a button for easy access to the third row is exclusive to the RS. The LT and Z71 can be spec'd with General Motors Evitex faux-leather upholstery, while the RS wraps the first 2 rows in leather. The RS model also brings black 22-inch wheels, blacked-out exterior trim, a 3-spoke flat-bottomed steering wheel, and red accents on the black interior for a flashier look. The RS suspension receives a sportier tune and a lighting animation plays as owners approach the vehicle with the key. A panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade is offered on the LT and Z71 and is standard on the RS. Under the hood, the 2024 Traverse ditches the naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 for a new turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. The inline-four pumps out a healthy 315 horsepower, up by 5 over the V6, while torque is up a substantial 51 pound-feet for a total of 317. The motor links to an 8-speed automatic transmission in place of the old 9-speed unit, and the Traverse comes in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Chevy claims the new engine returns better fuel economy, with the outgoing V6 rated at a combined 21 miles per gallon with front-wheel drive. Depending on the configuration, the Traverse can tow up to 5,000 pounds. For the first time, Chevy is offering the Traverse in a more adventurous Z71 model. The Z71 rides about 1 inch higher with a slightly wider track, which Chevy says improves stability and handling. The front end wears a beefier bumper with an aluminum skid plate and red tow hooks, and Chevy says the Z71 has a better approach angle than other Traverses. The Z71 also features a unique twin-clutch all-wheel drive system designed specifically for off-roading, as well as special dampers with hydraulic rebound control that should help smooth out the ride over rough terrain. The Z71 rides on tough-looking 18-inch wheels wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires and includes a dedicated terrain mode, hill descent control, and a standard trailering package. Of course, the Traverse is fitted with a host of driver assistance technologies to keep the whole family safe, including standard lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and forward collision warning. The Traverse can also be fitted with adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, reverse automatic braking, and a suite of parking cameras and sensors. Every Traverse gets a new buckle-to-drive system which requires the front occupants to strap in before getting underway, while a rear seatbelt reminder prompts occupants in the back to do the same. The Traverse will also be offered with the latest version of Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driver assistance system that takes over steering, acceleration, and braking duties on divided highways. The system now automatically executes lane changes and still works when towing a trailer. Sales of the 2024 Traverse will begin early next year, with production taking place at GM's Lansing Delta Township plant in Michigan. Pricing will be announced closer to the start of production, and we expect a slight increase over the outgoing model, with prices starting around $39,000. While the range currently tops out with the RS, a luxe high country trim might join the lineup in the near future.